In this video, I'm going to talk you through the exact formula that we use to make money on YouTube in 2020. This formula works every time. It doesn't matter what the product you are selling is or in what niche you are in. If you follow this system, it will work. It takes a bit of time, but you will not pay a cent for massive traffic. The first thing that we want to do is we are going to create 10 videos. They are called trust videos. They are going to be related to the product that you want to promote, and they are also problem solving or problem related videos, not really product related. What I mean by that is that you are going to solve one or other problem that your buyer might have when he is thinking about to buy your product. Why we do this is to gain trust from Google and YouTube. You are going to publish one video per day, not more. That is because your subscribers will be notified, and if you load more than one per day, they might unsubscribe. The first thing we are going to do is keyword research for these videos that has no or very little competition, because we want these videos to rank. The tool that I use for this is Keywords Everywhere. The reason we are researching these videos up front is we want to say at the end of each video, in the next video, I'm going to be talking about, and then you say the next video's description or what it is about. We also have to link the videos together. When you have a new channel, you have no likes and trust from Google. So we are going to solve problems, and we want these videos to rank. The key here is that you want to make the videos as short as you can, but not shorter than 3 minutes, because engagement is the important thing. They will only rank if people stay right to the end. We want to be short, sharp, and to the point. This is very important. The second best factor is that we send people back to YouTube, and YouTube loves that. Never put any affiliate links in your trust videos. They are there only for ranking. Thus link the videos together by putting the next video's URL in the description. We are also going to install a free plugin, which is TubeBuddy, that will help you to show what you should be doing on your videos, and it will also allow you to spy on your competition's keywords. You can use these videos as a 10-part mini-series to give away as a bonus for your subscribers. That's very powerful. The next step is to create another 10 videos that is more product related. This works very well for affiliate products. You can skip the step for e-commerce. The reason for this is that we are going to create money videos hereafter, and if they do not rank, the problem videos will help to rank them. Also, you are going to show your client the problems he can solve by buying your product. You are going to really dig into what your product is about, and this will give you massive ranking. What we thus are going to do is to show them ways how to use this product. You can make videos to show them demos about how to use the product. You can also create a tutorial about your product. These tutorials are going to serve people, and that is also going to give you authority. You can also show case studies related to your product. Now we will create our last set of videos, which we will call money videos. This is our product video. First, we will do a keyword research about your product, and these keywords should have buying intent. Also, in these videos, you will include your bonus, because somebody is on this video now to buy. People love bonuses, and if you not have one, they will just go somewhere else. If I may use the product ClickFunnels as an example, you can put in your title, buy ClickFunnels, and then free Google ad bonus. Just make sure that anything you put in the title should also be in the video. This is where you will start to make serious money. The more videos you make, the more they will show up everywhere. You will need to create a landing page now to get your customer's email address and send him to your offer. I will make a video later on landing pages. From your landing page, you will send your customer to your offer or product. This is a formula, and it works. In the next video, creating of landing pages to make money on YouTube in 2020. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell so that you can be notified when my next video is published. See you in the next video.